about a case study. So what is meant by case study? Any idea about it? A case study means that's a problem, right? So we are going to discuss about it and we are going to find a solution for it, or else we are going to find a solution, trying to find a solution. So I am giving a problem statement or I am showing a problem statement here. So we are going to discuss about it. The problem statement is today we have already discussed about what is the process, what are all the steps in the MS Word, right? We have seen about it. So we have learned about what are all the shortcut keys, what are all the tab columns we have used, what is the key used to insert an image, word art, those things we have discussed right morning itself, right? So now we are going to discuss about formatting a breakdowns, right? Formatting a breakdowns. So what is formatting? Already we have learned about formatting in text, right? In the first class we have learned about formatting in text. What is a formatting in text? We are preparing a document, and in that document how it should be. There are some criteria. So based on those criteria we have discussed and what are the keys used to format a proper text in a proper form, right? So we have discussed about how the font should be. First one is font, size of the font, then what we have discussed. Alignment. Yes, tell me. Alignment. Then spacing. Then underlines. Changing the cases, uppercase, lowercase. So we have discussed everything. So if you are preparing a document, you should know some criteria. What is the size of the font? If it is a heading title, how the font size should be, how we can bold that, how we can change in an italic style, how we underline it. Those documents, those topics we have discussed, right? So you know how to do it. So here, formatting a breakdown means if you are preparing a document in a version, that is MS Word. If you are going with some other system, that is an updated version. If it is Windows 10, we are using Windows 7. If it is Windows 10 name or a version, if you are preparing a document in Windows 7, it will be opened in Windows 10. It has some changes. It will have some changes in it if the document is opened in Windows 10 version. Okay, because just imagine if you are preparing if you are sending a message through a normal phone, you can see it in a touch phone. That is some difference, right? Can you see that? If you are using a button phone, it does have some difficulties. If you are going with the normal touch screen, that is some difference. Same as if you are preparing a document in Windows 7 version. If you are opening it in a Windows 10 version, there are some difficulties. There are some changes. The font has been changed. The size of the font will be changed. The image, or if you are using some header footer, the alignment will be somewhat different. So this is a problem here. You are using a different versions. If you are preparing a document in Windows 7 at your home, you are opening it here by Windows 10. What do you have an idea about? Any questions? Why? Do you have any doubts on this? Yes. Do you have any idea about it? Are you clear with this? What is the topic I have told you? If you are using